that uses overlapping circles to show how things are alike and the same. Now look at these two circles. Notice that the outside of the circles, they don't overlap, but the inside does. The reason why is we're going to show how things are different on the outside of the circles. We'll put those on the outside of the circles, contrast them on the outside. We're going to show how they are alike or the same or compare them on the inside. That's why they overlap, because we're actually talking about the similarities of both of the things that we're writing about or we're talking about. So we compared an apple to an orange. So how are they alike? How did we compare them? Well, they're both fruit and they can be found on trees. They also, something that we could put is they come after white flowers. Let's show how they're different. An apple, its colors are red, yellow, and green. An orange is orange. Another thing that we could write to show how they're different is that oranges can't tolerate the frost. That means they cannot handle cold weather. And apples are dormant in cold seasons. That means they don't grow in cold seasons. So that's showing how these two things are different and how they're alike. We're going to look at a really quick video here, and it's going to explain further about comparing and contrasting. Let's take a look.
We've got a nonfiction throwdown tonight as the authors of two articles, reality TV's only show, filled with your favorite writers and characters. Welcome, everyone, to another edition of The Story House. I'm your host, Sophia Romero. We've seen a lot of fictional characters and writers on The Story House, but tonight we're all about authors are facing possible eviction from the house. Both authors want to help you get better grades on your tests. Lynn Reddy wrote the article Ace That Exam, a guide to improving your performance on tests. She's up against Tipper Timerson, author of terrific test-taking tips.
Evicted? Me? Whatever could I have done? Look, before you vote, be sure to eat a well-balanced meal. Proper preparation prevents poor performance.
There's just one tip I need to give people who are calling in to vote. The answer is vote her off, not me. That's it. Plain and simple. Easiest test there is.
Okay, let's bring in the professor to break down this matchup in a segment we call Compare and Contrast. Professor, how should voters choose between two writers whose work is about the very same topic?
That's a great question, Sophia. We're really going to look closely to compare and contrast these two articles. We know what's the same about these two articles, the topic of test taking. They both share the same goal of improving your test scores. But when we ask what's different about them, we see some really big differences. Each article makes a very different point. Reddy helps students prepare for an exam. She gives health tips and, overall, focuses on the student. Timerson takes a different approach. She provides question-answer strategies and, overall, focuses on the test.
Wow! So even though they're about the same topic, each makes a very different point.
That's right, Sophia.
Well, there you have it, folks. Two articles on the same topic, but with a very different approach. And as always on the Story House, you decide who gets to stay and who is heading home. Voting lines open up just after this.
All righty. Let's review. What do we know about comparing? Well, we know that compare means to tell what is the same or alike about two things or objects that we are comparing. Contrast means to tell how they are different. Remember, compare means to tell what is the same or alike about two things. Contrast means to tell what is different about two things. So we're going to do a little practice now. We're going to practice reading two texts, and we're going to show how those two texts are the same and how they are different. So we're going to compare and contrast. Alrighty, here we go.